YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of fabulous living room decor and tips to decorating luxurious and classy look in your living room ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we embark on a journey through the realm of fabulous living room decor, where beauty and sophistication intertwine. Step into a world where your living room transcends the ordinary, becoming a haven of elegance and style. How can I make my living room look amazing? Creating an amazing living room begins with a vision. It's about understanding the essence of your space and infusing it with your unique personality. Start by considering the following aspects. 1. Define your style. Explore various design styles, such as contemporary, minimalist, traditional, or eclectic, and find the one that resonates with you the most. 2. Color palette. Select a harmonious color scheme that sets the mood you desire. Opt for a combination of neutral tones with pops of vibrant hues for a balanced and visually appealing atmosphere. 3. Furniture selection. Invest in high-quality, comfortable furniture pieces that complement your style. Consider the layout and functionality of the room, ensuring an optimal flow and ample seating for both relaxation and entertainment. How to create a luxurious living room. Luxury is synonymous with indulgence and refinement. To create a luxurious living room, focus on the finer details that elevate the space to new heights. 1. Opulent materials. Incorporate sumptuous textures such as velvet, silk, or faux fur into your upholstery, curtains, and accent pillows. These lavish materials instantly add a touch of glamour. 2. Statement lighting. Install exquisite chandeliers, pendant lights, or unique floor lamps as eye-catching focal points. Illumination plays a crucial role in enhancing the ambience of a room. 3. Artful accessories. Display curated artwork, sculptures, and decorative objects that reflect your taste and elevate the overall aesthetic. Introduce mirrored surfaces and metallic accents for a touch of sophistication. How do you give a classy look to a living room? Classiness transcends trends and stands the test of time. Here's how to infuse class into your living room decor. 1. Symmetry and balance. Arrange your furniture symmetrically to create a sense of harmony and order. Pair complementary colors and textures to achieve visual balance throughout the room. 2. Timeless pieces. Incorporate classic furniture pieces with clean lines and elegant silhouettes. Invest in quality craftsmanship that will endure for years to come. 3. Refined color palette. Opt for neutral shades such as ivory, taupe, or soft gray as the foundation of your living room. These colors exude sophistication and serve as a canvas for pops of color through accessories. What is trending in living room design? Staying up to date with the latest living room design trends allows you to infuse your space with contemporary flair. Here are a few trends to inspire you. 1. Nature-inspired elements. Bring the outdoors inside by incorporating natural materials like wood, rattan, and stone. Biophilic design and greenery create a serene and refreshing atmosphere. 2. Bold statement walls. Experiment with textured wallpapers, vibrant paints, or intricate wall panels to make a statement and add depth to your living room. 3. Multifunctional spaces. Embrace the concept of versatility by integrating multifunctional furniture and clever storage solutions. This trend optimizes space while maintaining a stylish aesthetic. Now that we have explored the key elements of fabulous living room decor, let's delve into 10 captivating ideas that will transform your space into an extraordinary haven. 1. The timeless elegance of monochrome. Embrace the timeless charm of black and white, creating a sophisticated and dramatic living room. 2. Cozy chic with layered textures. Layer plush rugs, soft throws, and velvet cushions for a cozy and inviting atmosphere that exudes comfort and style. 3. Artful gallery wall. Curate a collection of artwork that speaks to your soul and create an artful gallery wall as a focal point. 4. Bohemian eclectic vibes. Embrace a mix of patterns, textures, and vibrant colors to create a lively and free-spirited bohemian living room. 5. Industrial chic. Combine raw materials, exposed brick walls, and metal accents for a trendy industrial look that oozes urban sophistication. 6. Minimalist Zen. Embrace simplicity and clean lines, creating a serene and clutter-free living room that promotes tranquility. 7. Glamorous Hollywood Regency. Embrace bold colors, mirrored surfaces, and luxurious fabrics for a touch of old Hollywood glamour. 8. Scandinavian Serenity. Embrace the Scandinavian design principles of minimalism, functionality, and natural light for a serene and effortlessly stylish living room. 9. Coastal Retreat. Infuse your living room with coastal elements like light colors, natural textures, and nautical accents for a relaxed beach house vibe. 10. Modern Rustic Charm. Blend modern aesthetics with rustic elements like exposed wooden beams and natural stone for a warm and inviting living room. Creating fabulous living room decor is an art that combines personal style, attention to detail, and an understanding of the latest trends. By incorporating these ideas and embracing your unique vision, your living room will become a reflection of your exquisite taste. Step into a space that captivates the senses and enchants all who enter. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of fabulous living room decor design ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you, and see you on the next videos.